Introducing Guardian Service by Richard Wolf Medical Instruments. Headquartered in Vernon Hills, Illinois, our state-of-the-art facility is the hub for domestic sales, manufacturing, and repair service in the United States. At the Guardian Service Center, expert technicians restore your instruments and devices so they're ready to perform like new, using the same quality control standards as new Richard Wolf products. The Guardian platform features 3 levels of membership designed for customers with varying financial and clinical needs. Platinum offers budget certainty and tailored coverage with maximum turnaround speed, while eliminating unpredictable spikes in repair costs. Platinum full-service agreements are customized to meet the specific needs of your facility, taking into account your equipment portfolio, procedure volume, and repair frequency. Gold is a flexible, cost-effective approach to service, utilizing a repair-as-you-go model to provide savings on all endoscope repair exchanges and discounts for time and materials repairs of other devices. And Silver delivers OEM-certified repairs and service on demand with no agreements or upfront costs. Program features include certified endoscope exchanges, competitive trade-ins, preventative maintenance service, and an annual business review. Guardian Service Specialists provide on-site service, preventative maintenance, and in-services in major metro areas. The remote technical support hotline provides product information and real-time troubleshooting. Finally, our customer education courses provide CE credit on various department topics. Guardian Service by Richard Wolf, because your instrument is only as good as its last repair.